Discuss about surface development of hexagonal prism. Means hexagonal means 6 sides, okay, 6 sides and 6 edges. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 6 sides and 6 edges, okay. This is edge, this is side and this is edge, okay. Here we have top view of this object and here we have front view of this object, okay. This is hexagonal prism. The height of the axis is 60 mm, okay. The height of the axis is 60 mm and the next the side is 30 mm, okay. So 30 mm side and 60 mm axis, okay. Here we have bottom side 6 edges and top side 6 edges, okay. Bottom side 6 edges, top side 6 edges. Bottom side edges are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and top side edges are A B C D E F, okay. In front view here we have projection line of 1 dash and next 2 dash 6 dash and next 3 dash 5 dash and 4 dash. These are the bottoms, okay. The next front view top projection, here we have A dash and the next here we have F dash B dash, next here we have C dash and the next here we have D dash, okay. This object cut by a plane from apex point to midpoint, okay. Apex point to mid of this object, okay. We have here we have 60 mm, okay. The next midpoint means 30 mm, okay, 30 mm. Next the object cut by this way, okay. The object, okay, the object cut by this way. This is cutting plane, okay. This is your cutting plane, okay. The object cut by this way, okay. The object cut by this way, okay. The object cut by 15 mm, okay. The object cut by 15 mm from bottom height, from the top edge, okay. Sorry, 15 mm from bottom and the next from top corner, okay. From the top corner object, the plane cuts this object, this 3D object here, okay. We have to develop this exempt, we have to exempt this surface and the next we have to develop this surface, okay. We have to develop this surface, okay. We have to draw circumference of the, we have to develop, first of all we have to develop circumference of the hexagonal plane, okay. Select a point on the baseline, okay. Select a point on the baseline. Let's take this is the 1, okay. This is 1, okay. With the help of compass, okay, the side of the hexagonal prism is 30 mm, okay. With 30 mm distance from one point, divide this line as 6 parts, okay. Divide this line as 6 parts, okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts, okay. 6 parts. Here we have bottom side 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, okay. The next height of the axis is 60 mm. With 60 mm draw lines, okay. With 60 mm draw lines, okay. Okay, this is your total unfolded surface of hexagonal prism. Here we have A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash and finally A dash, okay. Why? Because we are unfolding from this object from 1A, okay, from 1 and A, okay. A is top side and 1 is bottom side, okay. We are unfolding from 1, we are on the, that's why this 1a repeats 2 times, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is finally 1, and the next a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, e dash, f dash, and finally a dash, okay, for, okay, and the next one, with the help of your compass, okay, with the help of your compass from a, okay, with the help of your compass from a, make, okay, this cutting line is, okay, this is your cutting line from a, okay, okay, from a dash make an arc, okay, from b and b dash, okay, make an arc from c dash, e dash, okay, from c dash, e dash, okay, next c dash make an arc on c3, next this is d dash, okay, this is only top side, okay, here we will be unable to make an arc, this why, because we have top side of edge. Next e dash, okay, this is c dash, e dash, from e dash, okay, from e dash, this is e as the center, make an arc. Next here we have f dash, okay, from f dash, okay, from f dash make an arc, okay, make an arc on f dash, okay, the next from a dash, finally make an arc on a dash, okay. Let's make thicker this object, okay, let's make thicker lines this object, cutting object. Okay, this is unfolded cutting surface, okay, this is an unfolded cutting surface, okay. I'm drawing with sketch pen, okay, I'm drawing with sketch pen, okay. This is your unfolded surface of hexagonal prism with cut section, okay, this is, okay. There is another process to draw this cutting section, okay. Simply draw the parallel line to this, okay, simply draw the parallel line, okay. This is another process, okay, simply draw the parallel line from this cutting object, okay. Next simply draw the parallel line, okay. Here we have c dash, e dash cutting edge, okay, here we have c dash, e dash cutting edge. Let's make c dash and e dash and mark, okay. Here we have c dash and e dash, okay. Here we have d dash and here we have d dash, okay. Here we have b dash, f dash. Next this is the parallel line of b dash, a dash. Let's make an arc b dash and f dash, okay, and finally a dash, 1 dash, okay. This is a dash and finally 1. This is make an arc on a dash, and here we have a dash, okay. This is two process to draw unfolded surface for hexagonal prism, okay. This is the unfolded surface of hexagonal prism with 30 mm side and 60 mm axis, okay. This is the process to draw unfolded surface development of hexagonal prism.